When you hear about AI recognizing faces, you might wonder, how does it do that? Today, let's dive into a simple explanation of facial recognition technology. Firstly, imagine AI learning like a student. It needs to study many faces to understand what makes each face unique. This study is called training and involves feeding the AI thousands of face images. During this process, AI learns to identify patterns and features, such as eyes, noses, and mouth shapes. Next, let's talk about pixels. Every face image is made up of tiny dots called pixels. AI analyzes these pixels to detect specific facial features. Think of this as AI measuring the distance between your eyes or the curve of your smile. These measurements are unique, like a facial fingerprint. Once AI knows these features, it turns them into mathematical data, creating what's known as a face print. With this face print, AI can compare and recognize faces, much like a detective matching clues. When AI sees a new face, it checks if the face print matches any it has learned before. It's important to note that AI doesn't see faces like humans do. Instead, it processes data recognizing patterns it has learned. This is why accuracy depends on the quality and diversity of data used to train the AI. Facial recognition AI is used in various ways, from unlocking phones to enhancing security. However, it's crucial to use this technology responsibly and maintain privacy standards. Thank you for joining me on this glance at facial recognition. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. See you next time!